Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Today we'll do revision on chapter 2, Life of Man through Stone Age. The ages of past mankind is divided into 4: Stone Age, Copper Age, Bronze Age and Iron Age. Stone Age started from century 5 lakh to 4000 BCE. Copper Age started from century 4000 BCE to 3000 BCE. Bronze Age started in century 3000 to 2000 BCE, and Iron Age is from century 1500 BCE onwards. Stone Age divided into 3, that is Paleolithic or Old Stone Age, which was starting from 5000 BCE to 10,000 BCE. Mesolithic, or we can say it as Middle Stone Age, which started from century 10,000 BCE to 8000 BCE. Third one, Neolithic or New Stone Age, starts from century 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE. Through mind map, we will just quickly discuss about everything. In Stone Age, we already discussed it was divided into 3: Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. In Paleolithic, man was more of a hunter-gatherer. He was a wanderer. He wanders here and there. He hunts for food. He lived a nomadic lifestyle, and discovery of fire was the major invention at that time. And in Mesolithic, it was mainly a beginning of agriculture. Man moves towards to a settled lifestyle. In this, the stone was made up of, and Mesolithic age was a transition period from Paleolithic to the Neolithic age. And in Neolithic age, development of agriculture was well improved. Man started to domesticate animals. They started to rear animals. Improvement of tools happened, and invention of the wheel was the major discovery in Neolithic period. And forming of village started, beginning of trade, which was mainly of barter system. Barter system is transaction is done through material itself. Mainly they used a surplus food items and all. In religious belief, they had a superstitious beliefs, and they believed life after death. And next we'll jump into the Paleolithic age. Paleolithic age of metal started by the discovery of copper, which was the first metal discovered. Paleolithic age started. Now next we'll discuss about the Bronze Age. Bronze Age started from century 3000 BCE to 2000 BCE. And mainly Indian Bronze Age began in Indus Valley civilization. The metal was bronze, which was mainly an alloy. Next we'll know about the comparison between the life of Paleolithic age man and the Neolithic age man. For time frame, Paleolithic age started from century 5 lakh BCE to 10,000 BCE, and Neolithic age started from century 8000 BCE to 4000 BCE. And what the food they consumed? Paleolithic man consumed mainly berries, roots and raw flesh. And in Neolithic, they consumed grains, vegetables and cooked food. Shelter, Paleolithic man used rock caves and treetops because he was a wanderer. And in Neolithic age, they started to use straw huts with hatched roofs because they were going into the settled lifestyle. And clothes, for Paleolithic man used animal skin and tree bark to cover their body. And Neolithic man started to use stitched cotton, woolen and fur clothes. Animals, Paleolithic age, they did not start domestication of animals, but in Neolithic age they started domestication of animals such as dog, sheep, donkey, pigs, goat, cows and buffalo. Tools which were used in Paleolithic age, tools were not polished, made up of stone. Example, it was hand axe, choppers, etc. In Neolithic age, sharp, polished and grinded tools made up of stones, metals such as axe, sickle, bow and arrow were used. And what was the major discovery and invention at that time? In Paleolithic, it was fire, and in Neolithic, it was wheel. In social life, Paleolithic age man lived as a hunter and a wanderer. And in Neolithic age, man lived as a life of a herdman and a farmer. He followed a settled lifestyle. That's all for today's class. I hope you liked the class. Thank you and have a very good day.